Emerald fields stretch under the sun, a haven of green where life unfolds gently. 3 bullocks, black, brown, and white, graze in the sun-drenched meadow. Their flanks brush together, a quiet dance of mutual reliance. Sunlight bathes the animals in a golden hue, highlighting their peaceful existence. The field breathes with life as the bullocks graze, united in their shared space. At the forest's edge, a scarred lion watches, his gaze fixed on the bullocks. Hunger sharpens his features, a primal urge in his narrowed eyes. He recognizes the strength in their unity, a silent calculation. Cunning flickers behind his gaze as he strategizes. In the vast emerald fields, a solitary lion eyes its prey. 2 formidable bullocks. With a mighty roar, the lion charges, its feints met by the bullock's unwavering stance. Horns lowered, muscles tense, the bullocks form an impenetrable wall against the predator. The lion circles, frustration mounting as its attacks prove futile against the united front. Muscles coiled, the lion leaps, teeth bared, a desperate attempt to breach the bovine defense. Defeated, the lion retreats, its hunger thwarted by the bullock's unwavering solidarity. A black bullock lowers its head, seeking respite in the cool stream. Ripples distort the bullock's reflection, blurring the line between reality and illusion. Shadows deepen along the stream's edge, concealing a predator's intent. A lion lurks, its gaze unwavering, locked onto the unsuspecting bullock. The lion calculates, each muscle tensed, plotting the precise moment to strike. Tension hangs heavy in the air, the stream's tranquility a deceptive mask. Emerald fields stretch under the sun, the air alive with wildflowers and buzzing bees. The lion advances, a low growl rumbling in his chest as he approaches the black bullock. His growl softens, becoming a honeyed whisper as he closes the distance. The lion's gaze intensifies, his eyes gleaming with cunning as he circles the bullock. "They watch you, you know," the lion says, his voice a silken threat in the open fields. "Envious of your strength, resentful of your spirit." He finishes, his words hanging heavy in the air. Sunlight floods the emerald fields as a black bullock grazes, his eyes wide and innocent. Unseen, lies creep into the bullock's mind, tainting his youthful trust. A twitch of his ear betrays the insidious whispers. He pauses, chewing slowly, doubt clouding his gaze. Tiny cracks surface, shattering the peace of the fields. Across the emerald fields, the trio of bullocks begins to drift apart, their once united front slowly dissolving. Shared meals become solitary grazing as the bullocks wander aimlessly under the open sky. Each passing day widens the distance between them, an unspoken separation growing in the vast expanse. The emerald fields bear witness to their silent divergence, a poignant metaphor etched against the vibrant green. Across the emerald fields, a lion watches, his golden eyes burning with predatory intent. Patience yields reward as he spots a brown bullock grazing alone at the field's edge, unaware of danger. Isolated and vulnerable, the bullock unknowingly becomes the focus of the hunter's desire. The bullock grazes peacefully, undisturbed in the vibrant field, as the lion continues his silent watch. Golden eyes narrow with focus, marking the moment before action in the tranquil, unsuspecting field. At the field's edge, a tawny blur erupts in violence. A lion launches its attack. The brown bullock is caught in a deadly embrace. A desperate bellow tears through the tranquility. The bullock struggles. The brown bullock vanishes into the trees, claimed by the wild. Across the emerald fields, a white bullock becomes a terrified witness to a distant attack, its eyes wide with primal fear. Panic grips the creature, its powerful muscles coiling as it prepares to flee the unseen danger. With a surge of adrenaline, the bullock bolts, its white coat a stark beacon against the vibrant green. a fleeting glimpse of purity and innocence, disappearing into the endless expanse of the fields. The emerald fields remain, now silent, concealing the violence and the bullock's desperate escape. In emerald fields bathed in sunlight, a solitary black bullock stands, stark against the vibrant green. The weight of betrayal burdens the bullock, heavier than any physical chain. Isolated and exposed, the bullock becomes a symbol of sorrow amidst the serene landscape. The silent meadow witnesses the bullock's heavy solitude, a tale etched in the stillness of the day. From the shadows, a lion emerges, its eyes blazing with predatory triumph. The lion stalks toward the black bullock, a silent predator closing in. Its shadow stretches, engulfing the last vestige of unity. Tension fills the air as the hunter claims its domain. In the heart of emerald fields, the black bullock stands paralyzed, its hooves sinking into the soil. A looming shadow stretches across the vibrant green, the lion's presence an inescapable dread. Fear etches itself onto the bullock's face, a silent scream against the impending doom. Regret flickers in its eyes, a poignant acknowledgement of fate in the face of certain death. Emerald fields bask under the sun, a deceptive calm over the tranquil meadow. A black bullock stands solitary, unaware of the danger lurking nearby. Muscles tense, a lion emerges from the tall grass, its gaze fixed on the unsuspecting prey. Circling slowly, the lion's anticipation builds, each step a calculated threat. The meadow transforms into a stage, the sanctuary now a hunting ground. Tragedy looms, the serene landscape a backdrop to the impending conflict. Under the open sky, emerald fields stretch, an idyllic backdrop to impending violence. A black bullock stands firm, muscles taut, bracing against an unseen threat. Close up on the lion's eyes, golden orbs burning with raw, predatory intent. The air crackles with tension. Nature holds its breath. The black bullock prepares for the inevitable attack. In the vibrant emerald fields, a golden lion bursts forth, a flash of raw power against serene green. Sharp teeth glint as the lion lunges, poised to strike, a predator in its prime. The scene cuts abruptly. Darkness descends, leaving the audience in a silent void.